Alif for Allah. Allah is Almighty. Ba for Bismillah. In the name of Allah. Ta for tamar, date, fruit. Tha for thawab, reward from Allah. Jim for Jannah, paradise. Ha for hamd, praise. Ka for Khalil, friend of Allah, used for Prophet Ibrahim. Dal for dua, supplication, prayer. Dal for dhikr, remembrance of Allah. Ra for Rahman, mercy. Zai for Zahra, flower. Seen for Salam, peace. Sheen for Shams, Sansad for Sabr, patience. Dad for Duha, morning light. Ta for Ta'am, food. Za for Dhafar, victory. Ain for ilm, knowledge. Gain for Ghufran, forgiveness. Fa for Fajr, dawn. Qaf for Quran, the Quran. Qaf for Kitab, book. Lam for Layl, night. Mim for Masjid, mosque. Noon for Nur, light. Ha for Huda, guidance. Waw for ward, rose. Ya for Yaqeen, certainty.